Hi, this is Chris with Haven Lighting. If you can't find any of your lights or zones on your app, then usually it's because you're on the wrong location. What I want you to do first is make sure you have the latest Haven app. So search Haven Lighting in your app or Play Store and make sure you have the latest app version. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Menu, you're going to go to Locations, and you're going to see, I've named the empty one empty. Yours will probably be named something else. There's a chance it's the same name as your other location, but it doesn't have any controllers in it. So what I'm going to have you do is go down and select the other location in the list, and then all of a sudden you are going to see the list of lights and zones in your app. So find the location that your controller is on and your list and zones will show back up, and all of your settings for schedules and everything will be there as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.